Alright guys, so before I get into this video, I do want to mention that my IG got banned, my main account got banned. I do have a backup account that I'm going to be leaving in the description down below. At the end of the day guys, there's a lot of haters in this industry, especially in the Forex industry. You know, when people can't compete with you, they try to take you down and just, bring you down as much as they can. Somebody got paid $500 to take down my account, which I find hilarious. That they would actually spend their money to try to take me down. But at the end of the day, it just goes to show that I'm doing great in this industry and that I have haters that are probably above me or probably, bigger than me that are still going out of their way to, knock me down. But it doesn't matter. If the person that took me down is watching this video right now, I just want you guys to know that you guys will continue watching me win and you guys will continue watching me grow. Instagram, Instagram comes and goes. Instagram needs to fix their platform, to be honest. But yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Make sure you guys follow my IG down below, and I'll see you guys there and on the YouTube live stream tonight. Let's get right into it. Hey, what's up, guys? So I really want to break down this trade and teach you guys how to start turning your scalping trades into a swing position, meaning to hold the runners longer and understanding when to do that and when not to do that. But this is mainly for my runners. What I've been doing recently for my runners have been absolutely insane. But I do want to teach you guys what I do and how I do it. Like on this position, right? I took a position over here when we started to break out of 5-minute highs. Price started to come over here, give me like a gambler candle setup, eventually hit take profit. So I did secure most of my position at TP2 over here. Then I started to think to myself, okay, let me hold my stop loss and turn this position into a swing, right? Because if this is going to go bullish, this should be the higher low formation. We should not come back and break these lows if we were to go bullish. Now we've done that multiple times this week. It's been absolutely marvelous. If you look at EJ, we actually took this position over here as well. These highs right over here. Price closed within this range over here. And then price started to break out. Once we got the breakout, it was when I entered. Price, kept stops right below previous candle's low to then target highs again. So yes, I'm a scalper, right? I mostly scalp, but that doesn't mean that I can't hold my positions, right? Yes, I'm looking to get in and out of the market, but when I have a runner, which is pretty much a free position, this is how you guys are gonna make pretty much risk-free money in these markets. You guys really have to understand what I do, especially with these breakout trades. These breakout trades really can run. Now, let's talk about it. So once I'm in profit, my 101, I look to close 50% of my position or 80%, depending on the move, right? But what you really want to leave is a runner. Now, the significance of leaving a runner, guys, is because that runner alone can make you 1 to 2% per trade. But you guys honestly have to understand that not every runner is going to hit. That's why I don't like to leave too much on the table, but I do like to leave some, because if you don't leave any at all, you're gonna feel like you missed out on the move, on the big push. Now, this is good for psychology, right? Because then it's going to teach you how to hold your trades a little better. Not only that, then you start leaving bigger and bigger runners. So on the position that we took today on GJ, I actually left a bigger runner, right? I left a bigger runner due to the fact that I was just going to take this whole trade, holding the stop loss, taking the whole trade and understanding that this trade can actually run. So I did close most of my position over here once we started to tap into this area here, because if you notice, price has this triple top. Now, did I close most of it? Yes. Do I still have a little runner? Yes, because if we do break out of these highs, guys, we're probably not going to see these lows until we come up and tap, 168.100. This is something that I've implemented in my trading very recently, and it's been working out extremely marvelous. It's been working out so good, guys, because let's say your win rate isn't there, but you're catching running positions. That's pretty much all you need. Think about it, risk to reward, right? If the risk to reward on that trade is there, it can get back 2 or 3 losses. But this is helping me even when I'm like, okay, let's say you win one, lose one. Now you have runners that are going to eat up those losses. You have runners that are going to put you in profit for the day, even if you lost a position, right? Now, just because you lose one position does not mean that you should end the day in drawdown. You always have to give your trade a second chance. But a lot of people fail to do that because they're scared of understanding, hey, maybe price isn't going to fly today. Maybe price is going to, let me just get out full position at my TP1. I definitely do not recommend getting out of your whole position. Definitely get out of some or most of it, to secure profits, put profits in the bag, like we like to say. But a big thing is psychology around it. Let's say you do close your full position and price does run 200 pips after your entry. That could have been a good 3-4% on your account if you held that runner with just a runner. So now let's say you hit TP1, which I did right over here. I hit TP1, I was already up. I secured 1% on the day right there. Then I came up to TP2, closed another 3 lots. Then price started to come up and tap into this area. Now with this whole move, I was able to catch 3% on my account with just one move. One position, I was able to get 3% out of it. Why? Because these positions are the ones that run. Now, yes, I did take a losing trade, but that doesn't mean that I'm down on the day or break even on the day. No, because these runners, these market conditions are meant for runners. Now, I know I'm ranting here, but it's very important that you guys understand this and that you guys really, really get this down in your own trading, because that's what's going to push you to that next level. This is teaching me that, yes, risk to reward is very, very, very important, especially with your runner. Let the runners run. Why are you getting out of a position if you wouldn't sell at that level? So here, I would most likely sell because we have a break and retest of this area here on the hourly level, right? Hourly, 30-minute time frame as well, right? We have like a major reaction levels here. So that's why I got out right here. I was like, you know what, guys? We've came up to this area once. Price almost came back to stop me out at break even. So I'm just going to secure some profits now that we're back up here. Now, I'm not saying that price can't run after this. It could definitely still run, but I made my bag for the day. It's not about how you make money. It's about if you make money or not, especially in this game, right? There's going to be people who trade extremely different from me, and it might not work for me, but this works for me. I'm getting very accustomed to holding that runner. It's actually helping my patience with the trade and trusting my analysis when it comes to trading, which is the main thing. A lot of people don't have trust in their analysis to hold their stop loss or to hold their trade. They don't learn from the losses. A big thing is that I'm glad I found this way of trading, and I'm glad that I can kind of just like put the position in and just wait for it and let it ride to the freaking moon. Like yesterday, if you notice, EJ was gorgeous. My stops went to break even at this point right here. I had a 1 lot runner and that shit just boom. I ended up closing somewhere around here. As you guys know, every single trade I call is in our VIP program, and I do let everybody know once I get out. And so if you guys notice, Euro JPY, all TPs were smashed on this trade, and we did take it live, right? So we did take this trade live. Beautiful freaking banger, breakout trades, super simple trading. But as you guys can see, Euro JPY for 423, and then I also let them know, just close my runner, guys. That was at 8:26 in the morning. So if you go here, 8:26, right over here at this candlestick, I closed my runner. So now a 20 pip player, a 20 pip position that I like to take is now a 140 pip position. Now think about how much you can make with a 1 lot on 140 pips, and you have a 100K account. That's 1.4% just with your runner. You've already secured close to 1% over here. So now you're in a 2.4% trade. So it doesn't even matter your previous trades. That eats up 2.5 losses, 2.5 losses of every single trade you've taken. So as long as you guys are holding runners, especially in these market conditions, guys, market conditions have been beautiful for runners, man. Like, I can show you guys positions that we took last week. Last week we took massive positions over here. So right over here, we took this sell right over here. Gorgeous player. Now, boom, kept stops right above the highs, right over here. And then guess what, guys? We caught these massive amounts of pips. I did get out somewhere over here, I believe. Somewhere down over here, if I'm not mistaken. I did get out of my position because I like holding it to 100 pips and that's it. I don't really need more. I'm not looking for more. Now, of course, if I wake up in profit and profit is down over here, amazing. But this was a 260 pip play. Now, that wasn't the only move we caught. We rode this whole downtrend all the way to the downside, and we were holding our runners throughout these positions. Now, another thing that I want to start implementing in my trading is holding bigger runners. This is why I made this video, because I want to make this a thing in my channel. Now, I close like 80% of my position at TP1, 70% sometimes. What I want to start doing is only closing, 60%, 50%, and then leaving that bigger runners to see if it can possibly, continue to the downside and actually make a move. It's not going to be easy making that transition over from scalper to holding bigger runners, but if I don't try to do it, I can't better myself as a trader, which that should be your goal too. There's always things that could be changed. There's always things that you could do in order to better yourself as a trader. And I'm constantly trying to figure out ways to tweak my trading so it can be just, 1% better every day. 1% better every day, getting 1% profits every day, and I'm happy. A big thing that I want you guys to understand is when you guys are holding runners, you do not want to get greedy. So let's say over here, let's say you took a sell position over here, which we did. We took a sell position right over here on stream. We actually took this trade. Price will start to come back here, break and retest right over here, and then price started to flip and breaking the lows. We executed this position right over here at the break of the lows. We actually traded against a lot of people, kept stops right above the previous candle high, and guess what, guys? This trade started to run. It started to run, but let's say that this move you got a little greedy. You got a little greedy with this trade, and then price started to come back here. Now all you're going to start chasing is this area again. This is why I say do not get too greedy with the runner. You can't leave it there for too long. You want to understand, okay, I'm happy with my profits. Set a goal. I closed my goal. My goal was to get to this area over here, which was my overall take profit. This overall take profit was about 150 pips. So I closed my full position right here. Now, yes, it ran down a little more, but was I mad at myself about it? Definitely not. You know why, guys? Because we understand that there's more moves to catch. There's more moves to leave runners on. We're scalpers at the end of the day. There's no need for me to hold positions 4 or 5 days when I could just get in and out of the market and then follow price action the next day. But that's pretty much my rant on why you guys should hold runners and why runners are so important. And I'm pretty sure that this video will help you guys out in the future with maintaining profits. And even when you guys are winning and losing and winning and losing and winning and losing and breaking even, you will start to see that you're actually making a profit and you're actually staying blue on the day. I think that is the goal of this video, guys, for you guys to have a little bit more confidence in holding your runners and not closing your full position. Me personally, I never close my full position at TP. Me personally, I always leave a runner because I know how good these runners can actually run. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Again, guys, I do this for you guys. We do this live on YouTube every single night. And remember, guys, comment giveaway winner will be announced tomorrow, and I'm doing another one for this video as well. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. You guys are the GOATs. We can all learn together. As long as we want to become the best trader possible, you guys are always welcome here. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.